Okay, so back on the Kit Kat, one of the problems it has is it was missing a Kickstarter when I bought it. So I bought this from a moped supplier out in California. I'll talk more about them later. And it's more or less the right Kickstarter, except the hole here for the shaft is too small. Should be 13 millimeter. I have to drill that out. And then I think there's going to be a little bit more work. I think I'm going to have to put a cut in the kicker here. I'll cut it just about through and bend it over just a few degrees and then have my friend John Lear weld it back up again. So it'll be fully on the shaft and it'll come back properly against the stop. So that's one of the projects. Another project is she's got no gas tank. So I do have a gas tank off of an old snowblower, which kind of fits back there, but it's way too big. But I'm going to see about coming up with a new gas tank. And this thing uses so little fuel, and for the amount of use it gets, it just needs something small. So we'll see what I can come up with. What else? I'm going to replace some of the wiring. So this is the old headlight switch and horn switch, which is a CEV part made in Italy. It's probably would work, but it's missing both the strap to hold it onto the handlebar and the cover. And I've ordered another one, and I will replace that.